Hey everybody, it's me, Scott from HPR Product Review. I am doing something that's very near and dear to me because I am a huge Godzilla fan, not just with the new stuff that's come out, but I have always, since a kid, been a huge Godzilla fan. And while we do have a 6-year-old in our household, we bought this gigantic Godzilla toy, not for him, but for ourselves. And it's because this thing is so cool. Now, let's talk about the size. This guy is enormous. He is 12 inches long, he is 10 inches high, and he is 4 inches wide. And this thing weighs, when the batteries are in him, takes 4 AA batteries, by the way. He weighs 4.6 pounds. And it comes with this fun Godzilla-shaped kind of remote that makes him walk, talk, turn, and best yet, makes him breathe fire. Now, how does he breathe fire, you're asking? Well, there's a little spot on the top of Godzilla's head that you pour some water into, and voila, he is locked and loaded to release his atomic breath. And instead of talking about it, I'm just going to show you what this guy does. Now, I have never officially counted how many times you can actually breathe fire with Godzilla before you have to refill, but it's a lot. So a little bit goes a very long way. So whether you have a child or not, or if you're just a Godzilla fan, this is a must-have toy. It is amazing. 2 thumbs up. Definitely go out and get yourself one if you're a Godzilla fan. This thing is great.